Welcome to the second video in our gene therapy series. This week we're going to be looking at the viruses that researchers are using to deliver a functional copy of the dystrophin gene to the muscles. The viruses are called AAVs, or adeno-associated viruses. This is a group of viruses that can and does infect human and other animals, and a significant part of the human population will have been infected by one of these viruses at some time or another. The key thing though is that people don't really get symptoms from these infections. They're very, very mild, and this makes adeno-associated viruses ideal for use in gene therapies. Different research groups and companies around the world are using different AAVs. They're all closely related, but differ in the cells they infect. All the viruses being tested for Duchenne muscular dystrophy infect muscle cells, but some are better at infecting the heart and the lungs. Viruses being used for gene therapies have two main parts. The first is called the capsid. You can think of it a bit like a football, like this. It's a hollow shell. In the virus it's made of proteins, and this is what contains the DNA. The DNA the virus carries has two main parts. The first, as we've talked about before, is the dystrophin gene, and the second is a switch to make sure that the gene is turned on in those muscle cells, so the dystrophin protein can be made precisely where it's needed. Join us next week to find out more about the dystrophin gene that the virus carries. See you then.